So with these, we'll have to put a little bit of solder on to create like a mound, a mountain. Again, we'll wait for this to... I think this is an alarm clock too, because it has a buzzer, which is kind of cool. And just looking at this, see if I can move this. Not enough heat. Mm-hmm. 642, 644, almost there. And maybe we can add, make sure you don't touch anything accidentally. $6.98. Okay. No, it's not moving. Moves a little bit. All right. So now we'll just create a mound so that we just, so this one doesn't matter if it's even or not. One mound, and the second mound can go right there. See, the more space there is, the easier it is for things to just bleed. And sometimes they just weren't generous with the, with the connection thingies here. This one's really straightforward. Plus is plus, minus is minus. Okay. And then so we just, except these are tinted, which is really cool, but they are a little bit too long.